Dear children, heartiest welcome in English class. How are you? Hope that all of you are well and safe at your home. Today we will solve the exercise of the poem, that is Dad and the Cat and the Tree of your book Honeycomb. Dear children, this poem is written at the end of the chapter 7, that is the invention of Vita Wonk in your book. These are expected learning outcomes which will be achieved by us after solving the exercise of this poem. Let's start. Dear children, the exercise of this poem is written at page number 110 in your book under the title Working with the Poem. Let's go to question number 1. Why was Dad sure he wouldn't fall? The answer of this question is Dad was sure that he would not fall because he thought himself to be an adept climber and it was quite an easy job for him. Now, question number 2. Which phrase in the poem expresses Dad's self-confidence best? The answer of this question is the phrase in the poem that expresses Dad's self-confidence best is "A climber like me, child's play this is." Now, question number 3. Describe the plan A and its consequences. The answer of this question is in plan A, the father got the ladder out of the garden shed. Unfortunately, it slipped and landed on the flower bed. Now, question number 4. Plan C was a success. What went wrong then? The answer of this question is in plan C, father climbed up the high garden wall. He leapt high on the tree. He was there right on the cat and cat came down. But father got stuck up in the tree. Now, question number 5. The cat was very happy to be on the ground. Pick out the phrase used to express this idea. The answer of this question is the phrase used to express this idea is pleased as Punch to be safe and sound. Now, question number 6. Describe the cat and dad situation in the beginning and at the end of the poem. The answer of this question is in the beginning, cat was stuck in the tree and dad was on the ground and tried to rescue it. However, at the end of the poem, cat was on the ground while dad is stuck in the tree. Now, question number 7. Why and when did dad say each of the following? First one, fall. Second one, never mind. Third one, funny joke. Fourth one, rubbish. The answer of this question is first one, fall. Father said this when poet's mother warned him before executing plan A. Second one, never mind. Father said this after the first fall while brushing the dirt off his hair and face. Third one is funny joke. Father said this when poet's mother again warned him before executing plan B. Fourth one is rubbish. Father said this when poet's mother again warned him that he might break his neck from falling again and again before executing plan C. Now, last question of this exercise is, do you find the poem humorous? Read aloud the lines which make you laugh. The answer of this question is yes, the poem is humorous because it is ironic. Here some lines that makes me laugh. First one is, it slipped, he landed in the flower bed. Second one, then he swung himself up on the branch, it broke. And third one is, but poor old dads still stuck up the tree. So dear children, these are the question answers of the poem Dad and the Cat and the Tree. I hope you understand these question answers very well. Dear children, there is a worksheet along with this video. Kindly solve the questions given in the worksheet so that you can make more understanding about this exercise. Thank you. Be happy and safe.